Hello everyone, welcome to Be Rizal. Today we are going to learn how you can pick any color from any place from your laptop. Let's get started. Let's move on to the screen. I have already opened Microsoft Store. Just simply search here for Power Toys. Search here. After that you will see this result, Microsoft Power Toys. Remember this icon. Just simply click on it and install it. I have already installed it, so I'm just going to open my Power Toys. So this is the interface you will see on the Power Toys. Just simply go to this color picker section on the left pane. You're seeing that. Just simply click here on the color picker and enable this. If it is not enabled on your Power Toys, just simply enable it from this button. After that, you are seeing that activation shortcut. My activation shortcut is Windows D. If you want to change it, like I want to, like I'm setting this shortcut to Windows plus C. Just simply press those keys and click save. Now Windows C shortcut is saved for color picker. I will just simply minimize it and I will open the Chrome, or like if I want to pick the color from Microsoft Store, let's just say if I want to pick the color of the SpongeBob, I will just simply press Windows C and you are seeing that a small box just below the cursor. Now wherever your cursor will go, this color picker will pick the exact specific color. So like if I'm on the SpongeBob, like I want to pick this yellow color, just simply press the left click and this dialog box will appear. Now this is the color code of the place of you pick the color. This is the exact color code. In the left side, these are those colors I just picked earlier, and these are the shades of this color code. Like they are going from light to the dark. So it's very handy tool. But I'm going with this color code. Just simply press here on this copy to clipboard. It will be copied, and now you can paste it anywhere to use this color. It is also very helpful. Just like I'm opening the Chrome. And in this section I just search best colors for logos on Google Images. Now I will just simply press Windows C and just see I can pick any color from here. Like if I'm liking this orange, I like this color, I will just simply hover over here and just simply press the left click, and so this is my color code. It has copied to clipboard, and now I can use it anywhere in the Illustrator, in Photoshop, or any other way on your website especially. So this is very easy way from how you can just pick any color from any place in your laptop. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to share the video, like the video, and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.